Hey guys, this is Call Sign Crypto with Stryker Division Airsoft. Today at Linn's Field, I am running an Echo 1 M4 ST6 with a 4x ACOG sight. Well, it's not really an ACOG sight, it's just a scope. We'll call it a scope. But anyway, the first game mode of today is a team deathmatch. The rules are very simple. Kill the other team to get points, and if you can shoot at the enemy base, they're not allowed to respawn. To begin with, I'm going to take my squad up through the ridge, which is the highest point in the game, or on the field, and I'm going to attempt to flank the enemy.
No. Everybody here's on my team? Logan, want you to take Zach, Malik.
Now guys, I want you to keep in mind, the reason my team are so young or not very professional is because most of them want to join Stryker Division. So I was giving them an opportunity to prove themselves or to show me their skills. That way I get a general idea of what they need to work on if they are to join Stryker Division.
Okay, you're taking Logan. Take Malik, Sam, Zach, and push up. TC, Ian, Nick, and I will push up through the ridge. Okay, he's coming with us. Are you two setting up on the ridge to sharpshoot?
Yeah, Trevor, Aiden, and
okay, I'm gonna lead you guys through.
Let me know if you see anyone trying to.
Yeah, we will. So me, Ian, TC, Nick, and Ian are gonna push through completely through the ridge. I'll tell you guys where to set up, just so because I've been up there so many times. I know, but there's
just a little humor between two friends.
Spot I'm thinking of. No, Ian's with me. Yeah. Yes. Ian, come. Ian, come here. TC and what's your name? Andrew. Okay, we're gonna lead the sharpshooters up through the ridge.
Alright guys, we're sharpshooters.
These two are sharpshooters.
Okay, if you guys see anyone trying to shoot us down,
make sure they don't get flanked. Because you don't have a long-range scope. You have Sam, TC, or not TC, Sam, Zach, Malik, and Sam. Wait, I said that. Sam, Zach, and Malik. Who has the other radio? Everybody's pushing up. Copy. Did you hear that? Maybe when we get farther. How you doing? I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Jared. There's two Jareds at the field now. Nice. Okay. Ian, TC, Andrew, Nick. No? Come here. That guy has a Spartan helmet. Haha.
Everyone aim for the red guy. Trump, everyone shoot Trump. Not that red guy. Don't aim for that red guy. What? Go give me your bow, bro.
Is it still recording?
What?
Is it still recording? Yeah. Ready! Let's go.
So guys, the original plan was that my squad was going to lead the sharpshooters, or the marksmen, up to the ridge so that they can set up. From there, my squad would continue going through the ridge until we were in a position to flank the enemy. But that turned out to be a change of plans when the marksmen weren't right behind us. I decided to continue leading my squad through the ridge. Flanking the enemy will give us a slight advantage if we play it off right. If we continue to flank the enemy, then it will possibly throw them off guard. It will give them two fronts to fight on, and it will distract them from the front lines. And since the enemy is much higher in skill than we are, since they own the battlefield tactically and in a direct assault, we have to beat them in a different way.
Let's go. Oh, somebody's getting ticked. Crypto gates, crypto gates. Crypto gates, crypto gates. Nobody's on the ridge, we're gonna flank them. Nobody's positioned on the ridge. We're gonna flank them. Nick, take point. Hold positions. Nick, move. And 10 up. 10 up. 5 past him. 15 up. Hold on, stay right there. 20 up, go. $30 up. On me. TC1, Andrew 2, Ian 3, Nick 4. Keep your eyes on a swivel. It gets watery up here.
I get in position and radio my teammate to tell him we are ready to flank.
Engage, or crypto gates. We're right next to the enemy.
He gives us the go-ahead and we begin to push further past the creek so that we can flank our enemies.
With some luck, they'll think we're friendlies. Everybody drop down, stay low.
I have them stay put while I push up. That way, if I get shot while I'm looking around, they are still there to continue the flank. Before I push up, I wave my squad on to follow me up out of the creek. That way, I have all my sides covered so I don't get shot in the back. I didn't want to shoot the guy in the multicam, so I didn't give away my position too soon. Upon shooting this guy, I realized that my teammates didn't follow me out of the creek, so I need to go back for them.
Move up on me, come on!
Luckily, the guy behind this house has no idea that I'm here. At first, I don't shoot at this guy because I think he's friendly. Then he starts shooting at us, and we take cover. I decide, eventually, that I'm going to try to snake around these trucks to shoot at him. But then I realize there's too much brush in the way and he'll hear me coming. And we have a limited amount of time to take him out, so I decide to shoot at him head on. Remember guys, if your squad gets into a firefight, you need to shoot at the enemy as best as possible.
Guys, return fire. Is it recording? Yep. Okay.
The next game mode is capture the flag. The same rules for respawn apply as they did for team deathmatch. In this game, you have to hold the flag for 10 minutes. I have my battle belt, holster, and mag and dump pouch here because the last battle belt I was running in the last game was too tight around my waist and was making it difficult for me to run, which was no good.
But it's even loose on him. The far end. I'm gonna sit down and take a freaking nap. I don't care. I like springs. Come sit down with me, Sam.
Ah, finally we get a break.
I want to take a nap. I'll shoot them when they get to me. Yeah. I'm not a chair softer, Trevor. No, I don't. Logan sits in his chair more than I do. Don't you dare.
I'm trying to hurry to get my battle belt on with my mag pouch and holster equipped. That way I don't get shot with my pants down, not literally.
You guys don't push when I tell you to. I'm shooting you myself.
The game is a go and we all head to our places. I'm going to go around that blue trailer up ahead. Problem with that, the semi-truck is parked quite close to the trailer, so I need to do some squeezing to get around
on
it.
Me. On me! On me! TC, Andrew, on me. Nick, keep that road covered. Andrew, this way.
That's right, I fell. Let's watch that again. I stay low so that my teammates have a chance to get up and cover me while I move into position. I lay down right here so that anybody that wants to come through all the thick twigs and bushes has to see me first. Hopefully I win the firefight.
Are they gonna attack back there? Huh? Are they gonna attack? Then let's go.
My mistake here was that I got up too early because my teammate was standing right behind me. I ended up getting hit. Now I walk back to spawn to regroup with some other team.
Guys, they can't see. No, you can still respawn. Who? Zach! Zach! Yeah. What? Yeah.
These three guys and I are deciding on whether or not we should push up through all this thick grass and attack a guy in the jail. The jail is located in the swamp, and you will see that in a second.
Okay. Let's do it. I got a smoke left. Wait. Oh crap. Broke it. I'm using my smoke.
Since it is nice and wet outside because it rained the other night, we are going to toss smokes so we can cover our approach.
It's too wet. Start a fire.
I see a teammate pop out of the bushes, and as I push up, I see another teammate in black pop out too. He startles me, and I think he's an enemy. I jump in this foxhole and get ready to pop a smoke.
I got a smoke. You guys need to push the fuck up. What the hell are you guys doing? Oh my gosh. Push them! Push them! Then reload! I was the only one fucking pushing. Oh my gosh.
After that last engagement, I decided to go with these three. Our plan is to push the enemy in an attempt to redeem our team.
Want to go right or left? Let's go right. Alright, let's do it. Looks like these guys got them pinned down over here. TC, we're pushing. Okay. Wanna go?
I say we move behind the trailer.
And then do what? And then do what?
I think we can get both sides of the trailer.
Alright. You move into the trailer from here.
Alright, I'll move.
Yeah. I'm moving up. I know. Is there a guy in that kill house?
Oh, shit, hold on.
Is there a guy in that kill house? Oh, I see. Here. I'll keep his head down while you push. Go! Behind that pellet.
Alright guys, that's going to round up part 1 of Airsoft at Linn's Field. Hope you liked the video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the battlefield.
Hey. Shoot at that guy over there.